this one started yesterday. It's on today and tomorrow, and it's an estate sale that we can film at.
And it's right here.
Oh, good. Is there two?
Looks like they might.
No.
Two,
no, they're just doing stuff.
Are they just doing stuff?
I think so. Oh, don't get too far up here. Oh.
That guy's just gonna block that guy's driveway?
Seriously? I don't know. Yeah, looks like it. Maybe he lives there. Let's
doubtful.
Yeah, probably not. Oh. Wow. Don't say nothing to him. I don't want to get murdered. Film that if that happens.
Okay.
I know, people are so rude. I don't understand that.
No, that's really rude.
That is. Whoa. Oh my god. Look at those.
Wow.
Imagine how tall I would be. Like 8 feet tall if I wore those.
Yeah, you would be.
These are cute too. But again, fall and break a hip.
Yeah, no kidding.
Just fab. I think they're fairly inexpensive shoes. Because they're
that's probably those.
They're not leather.
Off the website or something.
Yeah, but they're nice. Like, those are really nice shoes. But gosh, oh, are these you?
I think those are men's.
No, I don't. Well, they certainly could be, but
They look kind of small.
yeah. Hello.
How are you today?
I am well, thank you.
Good, good.
Turned out to be a nice day.
Oh, it's going to be gorgeous.
Yeah. Those are cufflinks with like tiny fish hooks in there.
Oh, you're right, like flies. Yeah,
Yeah.
fly fishing lures. Yeah. Fish. So obviously for a fisherman.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Found one, did you?
Yeah, I like that
You
one.
like that one?
Mm-hmm. How much for the pin?
Box of
Cents?
blanch tapes.
Thank you. Stick that in the bag.
Okay.
Finish looking around. See
We're
what
just
else.
laughing at the box of blanch tapes.
Oh, yeah. Old felt hats.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay. I didn't realize this was, you've been to this one.
Yeah.
It's okay, I found something else.
Yeah.
So, I think it's sterling.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Something sterling. The bottom where it says sterling.
Yeah. Get the phone out and see what that says.
What's the matter?
I'm going blind.
Is the first two, is it Hong Kong?
Oh, I just dropped it.
Sterling or something?
I think Hong something sterling. Could be Kong.
Well, if it's Hong, it's probably Kong. No?
It's hard to say. It doesn't look like a K on the second letter.
Well, I can't even find it.
We'll zoom out a little bit.
Bond Boyd.
Is that what it says? I thought it said Hong.
Bond.
Oh, well, there you go.
Bond Boyd Sterling.
I can't even read it with the magnifying. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there it is. Bond Boyd Sterling.
You just didn't have it at a good angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not weighty, but
Yeah. Cool.
it's nice.
Good find.
50 cents?
Sterling silver.
Yep. Yep.
Nice.
This one is today only and moving. All must go.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. It started 3 hours ago.
Okay. So maybe right in the corner here, in the alley.
I don't think there is an alley.
Oh, what's that sign
Oh,
over
yeah,
there?
maybe. I don't know. It didn't say.
Oh,
Oh,
holy
is that it?
smokes!
Whoa.
What the?
Wow. I don't need to look through all that junk. Is that 71? 70. Yep, that's it. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
You good?
Yep.
It's not too hot today, so hopefully won't be dumb.
Hello.
Good morning. It's metal. It's a vintage.
Old plane.
I think
Wood.
homemade, yeah.
Yeah.
There's more if you go through the garage. There's more just in the backyard.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. He's right.
Yes.
Well, I'm not seeing anything.
No. Oh my God.
It's a no parking sign.
Yeah, if it's metal.
I think it looks like it's metal.
Oh my God, it's really heavy. Like, I was thinking it was gonna be tin. Like, for what I thought. Like that.
It's not that heavy.
Well, it's heavy for a little tiny sign. Like, I thought it was gonna be much like tin. This is hand painted. And it's no parking, like.
Yeah. There's some cool looking vents over there on the table.
Yeah. Are we supposed to go over there, or?
He said to come through, except knock all the bikes over.
No? Well, they're in the way. On this pump?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but without knowing the prices, like, I can't get much for them.
Yeah.
Low strap, yuck.
Lots of old keys.
Yeah.
None of them are furniture keys though.
No, but still, old keys are, you know me. Wonder how much he wants for them. 'Cause they're all rusting.
Dustin Funeral Home. Mary Edwin McIntyre. 1889 to 1970. Wow.
That's kind of a cool thing. Or no?
Yeah, whatever.
It's just a marker, I think, until you get a...
It's a grave marker, yeah.
Yeah. I guess depends on how much things are. Like, you think they would be pretty cheap.
You would hope so.
Yeah. What are these from? They look like some kind of a license plate.
Yeah, interesting.
Oh, there's another one. 67. Yeah, I wonder what they're from. People, well,
It's
that's
a
cool.
bell.
It's a big one.
Yeah, from a sleigh. It's gonna be sleigh bell.
Yeah. Well, maybe if we're going to get a few things, I'll ask about this. This old sleigh.
Oh yeah.
That's a really old. Look how tiny you have to be to.
Mm-hmm.
But like, yeah, what are the prices?
Yeah, nothing's priced.
I know. Oh, okay.
No,
Which
this sign.
this one? Okay. And what are you wanting for these other things? And what are these from? Do you know?
Had those on bicycles.
Oh, okay.
Oh, bicycle licenses.
Okay, I wasn't sure what they were from.
Yeah, that makes
They're
sense.
so small.
Yeah, they used to be put on the back of the bike just by sign the seat.
What these people get by?
Wait, what? Wait,
There's a big rock. Excuse me.
Check with my wife on the.
Okay, I'll ask.
Say one thing, he says another.
Okay.
So, on the argument.
Hi there. Oops.
Hello.
Hi there.
What does that say? No parking.
Yeah. Look at that, hey?
That was my great grandmother's coat. When she passed away, my mother got it.
It's lovely.
It's a great coat when you're out in football in October, right? In
You
November.
bet. Nothing's warmer than the fur coats. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Where would they put these on a?
On a bicycle, he said. I had to ask too,
Oh, okay.
because I didn't know either.
Cute.
Yeah.
Is $5 too much?
Nope. That's just right.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you
Enjoy your
very
day.
much.
Thanks.
You
Have a
too.
good one.
Look at all the stuffed animals.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Whew. Caught a whiff of a little Canadian herb out there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's. That was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
$5 for all that. 15 or so keys, 20 keys,
14.
14.
14 keys.
3 license,
And then
the bike licenses, and a no parking sign. $5. That's all right.
Yeah. I'm not going to argue with that.
No.
She'll get enough of that from the other.
Yes. Hey guys, thanks for coming with us again on another great picking adventure. If you like our videos, hit that thumbs up down below. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps push this video out to people who may not know about us yet. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it means you'll get notified for every new video we put out. We're really on a push to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, and we definitely need your help to do that. We love you guys. Thanks again, and on to the next.